2019 to 2020. For God gives wisdom. From His mouth comes knowledge and understanding. With these precious words from the Holy Scripture, I thank my Lord Almighty for showering His wisdom, and it is He who leads us in our pursuit for excellence. As Aristotle says, excellence is never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, and intelligent execution. Don Bosco School of Excellence has set such high standards and goals that striving for excellence is not our skill but our attitude. This report is comprised of the achievements made during the year gone by and at the same time set the path for greater accomplishments in the years to come. The Team DBX. Don Bosco School of Excellence is managed by the Salesians of Don Bosco. It is a module of the Don Bosco institutions found around the globe and in India. Father Ricobo Ryan is the correspondent and the secretary of this school. Father Albert is the principal and Father Alphonse is the administrator. We have 24 efficient and dedicated teaching staff, 3 office staff, 8 supporting staff and experienced drivers help us round the clock to cater to the needs of the promising students of our school. We have opted the theme of the school for this year, the Green Peace Commitment. We have taken a promise to keep the campus clean and green with the cooperation and the part of everyone associated with this school. The new building inauguration. The academic year 2019 to 20 kick-started with a spectacular inauguration ceremony of the new building on 11th of June 2019, blessed by the Most Reverend Dr. Thomas Aquinas, Bishop of Coimbatore, and by the late Father Anthony Joseph, the then provincial. The building stands tall, witnessing his mighty blessings at quick succession. Academics. Every child has a different learning style and pace. Each child is unique, not only in learning but also succeeding. This year, we have concentrated on providing customized curriculum to our children. We have designed the teaching method to suit the needs of all the children so that they reflect a demonstrated ability to perform to their best with diligence and order. We are happy to share that the overall performance of our students is commendable both in their academics as well as in the other add-on competitive exams incorporated in our curriculum. Spell Bee. This year, 103 students participated in the first level of Spell Bee, out of which 68 of our students were selected for the level 2. I am extremely pleased to report that Angela Janice Austin of grade 6 and Mahadev of grade 4 have secured 21st and 36th rank respectively in the national level Spell Bee. Olympiad. Olympiad exams were also conducted in our school on various dates. Many of our students secured gold medals and have qualified themselves for the level 2. Anushka Maria of grade 2 secured the 20th rank in the international level and the 18th rank in the zonal level in the National Science Olympiad. This year, we conducted the inter-school science exhibition, namely STEAM Expo, on 16th November 2019 in the pursuit of encouraging the young scientists. Students from very many schools participated. I am proud to mention that Rohan Min of grade 8 of our school won the first prize. Staines Senior Secondary School won the second prize and Bishop Francis bagged the third prize. Sports. The importance of sports in the life of a young student is invaluable. We at DBX capture a person's admiration and trust and motivate them to perform at a high level not only in sports but also in their own lives, and this has resulted in significant changes in grades and behavior. The hallmark of this year is that we have started professional sports coaching every evening after the school hours. Students from grade 1 are trained in the sports of their choice, be it football, basketball, archery, table tennis, or chess. We conducted the annual Sports Day on 19th of October 2019 with much grandeur and pomp. Our school has also received a certificate of recognition as Fit India School by the Government of India. We strive to honor the declaration given. Achievements of our students in the field of sports. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. Many of our students have braved the hurdles and have come out victorious in their respective fields. We place on record some of the achievements of our students. Yasha of grade 7 participated in the 9th Indo-Sri Lanka Karate Championship held at Kandy, Sri Lanka on 12th October 2019, and she won the first place for the event Girls Kata under 11. She also won the first place in the event Girls Kumide. She participated in the South Indian Silambam Championship and won bronze medal. Siddharth Gauthaman of grade 9 is the winner of both singles and doubles title in All India Tennis Association Talent Series for boys under 14. He has made the school proud by taking part and winning in many prestigious events of the tennis field at the national and in the state level. Dhanwant of grade 1 has secured the third place in the 6th Open District Speed Skating competition held at Dektilan, Neelambur. Co-curricular activities. By providing a conducive and encouraging environment, the students are mentored to participate in a variety of intra and inter-school activities or competitions. Our students took part in various competitions like creative writing, quiz and yoga conducted by Coimbatore Sagodaya. I am related to mention that Dafril Densi of grade 8 secured the second place in yoga competition conducted at Maharishi Vidya Mandir, competing all the 120 participants. Andrea Ashni of grade 8 won the second place for dance Radio Mirchi Star Kids contest held on 22nd September at National Mall School. Various competitions were held on the 14th and the 16th of August 2019. Competitions like the Fancy Parade, Thematic Recitation, Solo Dance, Best Out of Ways, AdSab and Extempore were conducted. Educational field trips. Educational field trips to interesting places like Marine College, Gauss Forest Museum, the Botanical Garden and the Archaeological Museum were arranged. It enhanced the students to bridge the gap between education and hands-on experience. It helped them to acquire increased knowledge, culture and hone their inquisitive nature. Teachers Empowerment Program. Teachers are also learners. Staying updated is the key to success in any field, especially in education. With the sole purpose of updating teachers' knowledge, the school hosted a series of teachers' workshops like Solution Educator Method, Importance of English Language and Ways to Improve it, Mindfulness, appraisal criteria, and classroom enrichment program. Teaching faculty of our school also attended the CBSE training on strengthening evaluation and assessment and on the English language improvement program. Scoutmaster training was given to our PET masters. School clubs. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Various co-curricular activities are held under different clubs to develop a child to hone their skills in co-scholastic areas. Regular club activities are held and the students participate and display their caliber. The different clubs are musical, dance, drama, art and craft, catering, eco, scouts and guides, vocal music, math and science and tech clubs. Celebrations. We have very many celebrations to add color to life in the school campus, namely the investiture ceremony, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, and so forth. We had Doctor's Day celebration combined with eye and dental checkup for all the students. We also celebrate religious festivals like Diwali, Ramzan, and Christmas. We also solemnize the cultural fests like Pongal and Onam. Apart from this, we observe Vigilance Awareness Week. Students were also taught to fight against social evils like bribery, nepotism, money laundering, and inflation. To commemorate the birthday of the legends Mahakavi Bharatiyar and Thiruvalluvar, we conducted competitions like Thirukkural recitation, Bharatiyar poems, and songs for grade 1 to 9. To kindle the curiosity of joyful learning, Color Days are also celebrated every month. They also actively participated in the intra-school rhymes competition held on 7th of August. The crowning glory is the Phono Day when the KG corridor was turned into a fun-filled cartoon zoo. What a joy to watch the little eyes grow wild with excitement as they grasped at the replicas of wild animals. Charity begins at home. Share to care. A Good Samaritan drive was celebrated meaningfully in the month of December. A charity event to reach out to 546 disadvantaged children with gifts for their education and personal care. Our sincere gratitude to all the sponsors, well-wishers, our students and their parents for their generous contribution towards this cause. Development. With completion of the new building, we have furnished the laboratories with latest equipments and lounge with beautiful interiors. The golden feather on the cap is the inauguration of football turf field and the synthetic basketball court. The newly constructed coco field, volleyball court and throwball field are well utilized by our students. Conclusion. What is a school without students? It is our students who made all our efforts truly meaningful and rewarding by their significant effort to do their best and becoming knowledgeable, skillful, and responsible citizens. We are proud of every one of them. We are privileged to partner with enthusiastic, engaged parents whose trust, understanding, and unflinching support being a great source of motivation to us. We assure you of a continued commitment to the cause of education. With the blessings of the Almighty, we will continue the tradition of excellence in all our pursuits. Thank you for your patient listening. May God bless you all.